starting with the introduction part.
So, hey everyone, I am Shilpi Rani and I recently graduated from NIT Agartala. Right now, I am working as a mechanical engineer at Schlumberger, which is now known as SLB. So, I started here out as an intern. I did my 6 months internship at SLB and recently I got converted. I got a full-time offer. So, yeah, that's a little about me.
Tell us about your placement journey.
Okay. So honestly, the moment I knew that SLB was coming to our campus, the very first thing I did, I picked up my phone and I messaged my seniors and I asked them what exactly do they ask in the interviews. And talking to them made me realize one thing, that you do not need to grasp all the subjects by heart, but you need to know a few subjects very thoroughly, and you need to know the basics of other subjects as well. And I also did a lot research and homework about the company's background, what exactly they do and what exactly they're expecting from the candidate. It helped me a lot to prepare about the company. Besides that, I also spent a good amount of time on my projects and the subjects related to the projects. So that's basically how I prep, because knowing about your project is where they basically focus on.
Okay, so Shilpi, tell us about your interview experience.
My interview process was basically split into the 2 rounds, which is a heavy technical round and then an HR round. The first round was straight up technical. The interviewer completely skipped the introduction part and he jumped directly into the engineering concepts. So he started asking me a few conceptual questions based on the subjects like strength of material and material science. And he asked me a few questions from thermodynamics as well. So, and after I answered those questions, we spent a good amount of time talking about my project. So he had me explain what exactly I did, and then he asked me tons of follow-up questions about the details, and it was super deep. But since I knew my project really well, I was able to explain it really nicely. The second round was the HR round, and the HR round, I believe they basically check your personality, that how you speak and how you behave under different situations. So he gave me a few situations where I have to answer him.
Okay, Shilpi, so what is the one piece of advice you would like to share with our junior batch?
Okay, so basically I will split into the two answers here. The first is, do not underestimate your CGPA. Like, I'm not saying you to be a top-notch student and the top scorer of the class, but at least have a decent CGPA. So that, because most of the companies shortlist based on your CGPA. So that is the first criteria. Do not take it for granted. And the second thing, please focus on your soft skills and the way you communicate, because maybe you are a very good student and you are very good at technical side, but if you're not able to convey your idea in front of your interviewer, it won't work. So please focus on your soft skills and communication skills, as well as your CGPA. So yeah, that's a piece of advice that I would like to give to my juniors.